Need to make every video on your YouTube channel private in one go? Here's the fastest way in under a minute. First, open a browser and go to studio.youtube.com, then sign into the channel you want to edit. You'll land in YouTube Studio. On the left sidebar, look for the Content tab with the play icon and click it. This opens your full list of videos. We'll use a bulk action so you don't have to change each one manually. At the top left of the list, click the small checkbox to select all visible videos on the page. If you have more videos than fit on one page, click the blue link that offers to select all videos on your channel. With all videos selected, look for the Edit drop-down above the list and click it. From the drop-down, choose Visibility. This lets you change how all selected videos are published at once. A side panel appears. Under Visibility, pick Private, so only you can see these videos. Review the summary at the bottom to confirm you're updating all selected videos. Then click Update Videos. You'll see a progress message as YouTube applies the changes. Wait for it to finish before closing the page. Once it's done, your entire video library is now private. That's how to make all your YouTube videos private at once with a single bulk edit.